Hi students, now we will solve review exercise. So see, first question, convert each of the following into a percentage. So here, the example given in fraction, we have to convert it into percentage. First example is 2 upon 5. So here students, we have to convert denominator as a 100. So here denominator is 5. We want denominator 100. 20 5s are 100. So we have to multiply 2 by 20 and 5 by 20. 22s are 40, 25s are 100. So here we get denominator 100. So 2 upon 5, we get here 40 upon 100. So 40 upon 100. It write in percentage as 40%. Next example, 21 upon 20. Here also we have to convert fraction as an equivalent fraction with denominator 100. But here denominator is 20. We want it 100. 25s are 100. So we multiply numerator 21 by 5 and denominator 20 by 5. 21 5s are 105, 25s are 100. So here we get fraction 105 upon 100. 105 upon 100. So we can write in percentage as 105%. 0.35. Here we have to convert decimal as a fraction. So 0.35. First we have to convert decimal into fraction. So 0.35. We can write it as a fraction 35 upon 100. And 35 upon 100 means in percentage we write it as 35%. Next example, 25.5. So this is a decimal. So we convert first 25 upon 5 into fraction. So we get it as 255 upon 10. But student, we want here denominator 100. So we 10 tens are 100. So we want to multiply numerator by 10 and denominator by 10. So we multiply 255 by 10 and 10 by 10. So we get here 2550 upon 100. So 2550 upon 100 means in percentage we write it as 2550%. Next question, find the value of the following. So see first example, 0.5% of 200 ml. So here we want to find its value. See here 0.5%. So first we have to convert this percent into fraction. So 0.5 we can write in fraction as 0.5 upon 100. Of means multiplication sign 200 ml. Now 0.5 is a decimal. So we have to convert it into fraction. So 0.5 we can write in fraction as 5 upon 10. So 5 multiplied by 200 and 10 multiplied by 100. Here 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. 5 multiplied by 2. 5 2s are 10 and 10 denominator. 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10. So we get here answer 1 ml. So value of 0.5% of 200 milliliter is 1 milliliter. Now see next example. 70% of 300 rupees. 70%. So we have to convert percent into decimal. So 70% we can write in fraction as by removing percent sign, divide 70 by 100. So we get in fraction as 70 upon 100 of multiplication sign which is 300. Here 0 0 get cancel, remain 3 into 70. Here we multiply 70 by 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 sevens are 21. We get here product 210. So the value of 70% of 300 rupees is 210 rupees. So first we convert example C, 25% of 180 kg. So first we convert percentage as a fraction. So 25%, we remove percent sign and divide 25 by 100. We get it as 25 upon 100. Of multiplication sign 180 kg. Here 0 get cancelled. Now we have to multiply 25 by 80. So here we multiply 18 5s are 90, 0, carry over 9, 82s are 36, 36 plus 9, 45. So we get here product 450. So we write here 450 upon 10. 0 get cancelled. We get here 45 kg. So we get here value of 25% of 180 kg is 45 kilogram. Now see next example. Example D. 14 2 upon 7% of 560 kilogram. Now 14 2 upon 7 is a mixed fraction and it is in percentage. So first we want to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So see student here 14 2 upon 7. So to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, we have to multiply denominator with whole number and then we add numerator. So here we multiply 14 by 7 and add 2 and 7 right at denominator. 14 7s are 98 plus 2, 98 plus 2 100, 100 upon 7. Now here we convert mixed fraction into improper fraction as 100 upon 7. So 100 upon 7% of 560 kg. Now percentage we have to convert it into fraction. So we remove percent sign and divide 100 upon 7 by 100. So we get here 100 upon 7 into 100 and multiply by 560 kilogram. So here 100 get cancelled. Now we have to divide 560 by 7. So here we divide 560 by 7. 7 8s are 56. 6 minus 6 0. 5 minus 5 0. Next digit 0 we take down. 7 zeros are 0. So here we get quotient 80. So by dividing 560 by 7 we get here answer 80 kilogram. So here the value of 42 upon 7% of 560 kilogram is 80 kilogram. Now third word problem. Ruchi scored 324 out of 450 marks. Shruti scored 375 out of 500 marks. Whose percentage was more and by how much? So student, here both got score is different and total marks also different. Now Ruchi scored 324 marks out of 450 and Shruti scored 375 marks out of 500. So first student, we have to find whose percentage was more. So we have to find out how many percentage got Ruchi and Shruti. So first we find Ruchi's percentage. So Ruchi scored 324 marks out of 450. So to find percentage, we multiply 324 upon 450 by 100%. So here 0 get cancelled. We multiply 324 by 10. So we get 3240 and we have to divide 3240 by 45. So see student, here we divide 3240 by 45. 3240 by 45. So here 45 7s are 350. 7 quotient and product is 350. So by subtracting, we get here remainder 9. Next digit 0. So 90 divided by 45, we get quotient 2. In this way, by dividing 3240 by 45, we get quotient 72. So Ruchi gave here percentage 72%. Now we have to find out how many percentage got Shruti. So Shruti got 375 marks out of 500. So here we want to find its percentage. So we multiply by 100%. Here 0, 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. Now we have to divide 375 by 5. So here we divide 375 by 5. 5 sevens are 35. 7 is a quotient and we divide 37 by 35. We get here remainder 2. So we take digit next 5. Now we have to divide 25 by 5. 5 5s are 25. So here by dividing 375 by 5, we get quotient 75. So Shruti get here 75% marks. Now if you observe, here Ruchi got 72% and Shruti got 75%. So obviously Shruti was a more percentage. Now by how much? We have to find how much. So we subtract 75 minus 72, we get 3%. So thus Shruti was more percentage than Ruchi by 3%. Example, out of 140 teachers in a school, 40% are males. Find the number of female teachers in the school. See student, total number of teachers in a school is 140. From that 40% are male teachers. So you have to find out the number of female teachers in a school. So see its solution. Here total number of teachers are 140. So out of that 40% is male teacher. So number of male teacher is equal to 40% of 140. 40% we have to convert it into fraction. So 40% by removing percent sign, divide 40 by 100, we get here 40 upon 100. Of means by multiplying 140. Here 0, 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. 14 4s are 56. So number of male teacher in a school is 56. Now we have to find out how many number of female teachers. So number of female teachers, to find we have to subtract the male teacher from a total number of teachers. So we subtract 56 from 140. So by subtracting 140 minus 56, we get here 84. So thus there are 84 female teachers in a school. Fifth example, on a rainy day, 46% of a class of 50 students were present. Find the number of absentees. See student, in this word problem, total number of students in a class is 50. From that, 46% students are present due to rain. So we have to find out how many students are absent. So see here, solution. Total number of students in a class is 50. From that, present students are 46% of 50 students. So 46% we have to convert it into fraction. So we remove percent sign and divide 46 by 100. We get fraction 46 upon 100. And then we multiply by 50. Here 0, 0 get cancelled. Now we have to multiply 46 by 5. So here we multiply 46 by 5. We get 5 6 are 30, 0, carry over 3, 5 4 are 20, 20 plus 3, 23. So 230 we get product, 230 and this denominator 10. So we divide 230 by 10, 0, 0 cancel. So we get here 23. So present student in a class are 23. But here we have to find out number of students absent. So number of absentees are, total number of students is 50 and present students are 23. So we subtract 23 from 50, we get 27. So thus there are 27 students absent in a class. On a rainy day, out of 50 students, present students are 23 and absent students are 27. See now, sixth word problem. A musical show was organized in a park 36% of the visitors were children and the rest were adults. How many adults visited the show if the total number of visitors was 1450? See student, a musical show was organized and in that total visitors are 1450. Out of 1450, 36% were children. So here we want to find out how many adults visited the show if total number of visitors are 1450. So see its solution. Here total number of visitors are 1450. From that number of children are 36% of 1450. 36%, so we write in percentage as 36 upon 100 and then multiply by 1450. 0, 0 get cancelled. Now we have to multiply 145 by 36. Here we multiply 6 5s are 30, 0, 3 carry over. 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 3 27, 7 carry over 6 1s are 6 plus 2 8. Now here we have to multiply by 30. So we write here 0. Then we multiply 5 by 3. 3 5s are 15, 5 carry over 1. 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13. 3 carry over 1. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. Now we add this product. 0 plus 0 0. 7 plus 5 12. 2 carry over 1. 8 plus 3 11. 11 plus 1 12. 2 carry over 1. 4 plus 1 5. So here we get product 5220. Now 5220 we divide by 10, we get here 522. So these are the number of children. Now here we have to find out number of adults. So we have to subtract 522 from 1450. So we subtract 1450 minus 522. We get here 928. So here 928 adults visited the show. Out of 1450, 928 adults visited the show and 522 children were children.